It's one of the worst days in my life, but I'm gonna make the best out of it. Yes! Tonight's gonna be a good night. Tonight's gonna be a good night. Tonight's gonna be a good night. We are going to the Centro. Sorry, I lost my phone, Max Pro, so that's why I don't have the good video here in Cartagena or rest of the way. I gotta depend on my GoPro and my DJI. There you go. Cartagena, Colombia. I am leaving from Santa Marta to Cartagena. Santa Marta. It's the bus. I'm on my way to Cartagena. From Santa Marta. There's a lot of mango trees over here. In Colombia, mangoes happen like in global weather. Goods are good. It's not as bad that I have in Seems like this bus stops a lot of places, but they have many places at the Berliner. This is stop here. All the Centro or some of them. This is the toll road. The toll goes right ahead of it. We've got in the toll road. The Caribbean on the right side. They have the cactus. A lot of big ones. I'm on the way to Cartagena. I'm taking bus, very good bus. It's only maybe 20 seats, but I'm sitting next to the window. Rooftop, I can see everything. Is very comfortable bus by the Caribbean Sea on the right side. This is a toll road we are using it. Look at that beautiful Caribbean. We are going to the Cartagena and the Caribbean is right next to us. It looks so beautiful. This is lonely boat over here. We are very close to Barranquilla. I think Barranquilla is the big city or the division in Colombia. The bridge, right, the bridge is over there. Going to Barranquilla. This is Barranquilla. We're still in the city. This is Barranquilla. This is the bus station over here. Barranquilla bus station. Restrooms and thingy right here. That is the bus. And they gave us 15 minutes for coffee and break. Okay, these are the we are at the Barranquilla, where the Kia was come from. Stop over. I'm taking bus from Barranquilla to Cartagena. This is the bus station. I'm leaving now Barranquilla to Cartagena. It takes longer than 3.5 or 4 hours they talk about, because it's taking more than 3.5 hours just to the Barranquilla. there. We just had the police check. I think they're checking everybody. They stopped the bus and they checked it. So they asked me something and I just don't say anything because of the Spanish. So yeah, I guess time to time they do check. So somebody helped me. They were, I can't speak Spanish. Let's fly on the road. It's starting raining now. We go to the Cartagena. Seems like the right side is the park. I think we are almost close to the Cartagena.
My wife and here and me, we want to
Same place?
see, yes.
When you drop?
See.
Oh, okay, good. Thank you. I just arrived in Cartagena. I took the bus from Santa Marta to Cartagena. I got there at 8:30 and arrived here at 1:10. So it takes about more than 5 hours. I think it's 3.5 hours, 3 hours. No, so take your time to get to here. I'll see what I can do all day. And then I'm on my way to medicine tomorrow morning. No air condition, okay? Fine. Cartagena. I think they just had an accident. That's why he's going another way. I need somebody in. This is the hostel? I am at the bar hopping or bar crawling, whatever is going on here. It is Viajero in Cartagena. Beautiful place, so people from everywhere. That's the hostel I'm in, right there. Okay, we are going to the next bar hopping place. Got stuck here. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, only 3 people coming. All those drunk people coming over here. They keep coming. People. Oh my God! Look at that beautiful horse cart. Yeah, we all are coming. So the company calls How Can I Get Drunk? There you go, it's a night time in Cartagena. Cartagena is a lot of tourist place here. This beautiful oak tree there, right there. Street food is right there. Look at this beautiful church over there, right there. This is something going on in here at night time. Look at this beautiful plaza here. Nice boat and everything there. Some concert going on. Look at this. Beautiful white houses over there. Part of it. It's in Cartagena, Colombia. Some music going on right there. There's a concert going on right there. So we're walking to the next restaurant right there. Look at this place is probably the old Cartagena. Look at the beautiful rooftop there. We are going here next. This called Viajero Hostel. That another one there. There you go. There another hostel right there. We are going restaurant to restaurant, but I want to come see the real place. Almost there. It's only horseshoes. Ah! Whoa! Whoa! We used to get drunk more. Beautiful place from the rooftop of this hostel and the bar. Breathtaking, wonderful thing right there. You can see it all in Cartagena. Wow, it's even on the mountain. I'm glad I took this trip. Even though I lost my phone today, I have no phone, but I'm taking the video. I hope it shows it. It looks like all the high rises are over there in the mountains. On the top of the mountains there's some buildings and there's some water body here. Ship is moving. People are dancing over there. Right. I was at the rooftop. It was beautiful. So I'm going down to the party. Let's go! Tonight's gonna be good. Somebody met somebody over there. There's a church there. The church, they're going music. Yes! Buddy.
I'm from Houston, Texas. But my parents are from Mexico.
We beat you on the 22 World Series. Remember that?
Boston.
No, Atlanta Braves.
Oh my God.
Did you see that?
Fuck off.
It's in center of Cartagena. What you looking at? Same thing I'm looking at. Seems like the party is over. So it's not. Oh really? I thought it was the fourth place. Oh okay. So party is not over. Let's get to the next. It's not over. It's the fat lady sings. I have to make the best out of it. I'm on the saddest day in my world. There you go. Looks nice. Graffiti is here. Wow, it's Cartagena graffiti as in here. Wow, it's so beautiful. Look at it. So beautiful.
Reza, what's your YouTube channel?
Reza on the journey.
Reza on a journey.
Reza on the journey. But there's no destination yet.
You know, there's never a destination.
There's never a destination. Look at so beautiful. All those flags are at the top. So it just gives another level to it's a bad. Oh my God, so beautiful. Look at it. Okay, there's a little church over there. There's a big man we have to go through. There's a big man we have to go through. I don't know if I'm the first one to get in there. is the last place we got in. Now we're going back to that hostel. I just need to go to my place. So I'm walking down. I think it's a little bit long way, but I think I know how to get there. Walking alone this morning in Cartagena, Colombia. Look at how beautiful is this. It's late in the morning. The church right there is still open at 2 o'clock in the morning.